Now we are going to discuss a new topic, scanf in C. What is scanf? Scanf stands for scan formatted string. It accepts character, string and numeric data from the user using standard input called keyboard. Please note down this thing. Our standard input is keyboard. We can input characters, we can input strings, we can input numeric data, and that will be accepted by the scanf. That is the job of scanf, you can say. Apart from that, scanf also use format specifiers like printf. For example, %d to accept input of integer type, %c to accept input of character type, %s to accept a string, and so on. Let's try to understand scanf in more details by considering an example. In this example, as you can see, I have declared a variable int var, and this is the function called scanf function. What does this function will do? It takes input from the user and that too an integer input and assign this integer input to this variable. That is the job of the scanf function. Please note down this thing. This ampersand is very important. Don't forget to add ampersand in front of variable name. Let's try to understand why ampersand is added in front of the variable name in case of scanf function. If you remember, in the case of printf function, you're not adding ampersand in front of variable, while in this case you need to add ampersand. Let's try to understand the reason behind that. While scanning the input, scanf needs to store that input data somewhere, and that too in a variable, right? To store this input data, scanf needs to know the memory location of a variable. Of course, it needs to know the memory location of a variable in order to store that input data. If scanf function knows the memory location, then it would be able to store that input data inside that variable. That is the job of scanf function, of course. Now, here comes the ampersand to rescue. Ampersand is also called as address of operator. Note down this thing. Ampersand is also called as address of operator. What does it really mean? If we write ampersand var, this is equivalent of writing address of var. As simple as that. Address of var means it is asking for the address of variable and not the content of variable. When we write name of variable, it simply means that we are asking the content of the variable. When we write ampersand var, what does we mean? We are asking for the address of variable and not the content of variable. Here you know this thing that scanf needs to know the memory location of the variable in order to store the input from the user. So, in order to know the address of variable, we will use ampersand in front of variable. That's it. Now I'm going to demonstrate the use of scanf function. Here I'm going to write the code to accept two inputs from the user, and I'm going to add those numbers and simply print the result. Here is the code. Here I have declared two variables a and b of integer data type. Now, with the help of this printf function, I am asking the user, please enter the first number. With the help of this scanf function, I am accepting the input and store it inside this variable. With the help of the second printf function, I am asking the user, please enter the second number, and with the help of this scanf function, I am taking the input from the user and store it inside this variable. Now with the help of this printf function, I am adding the contents of these two variables and simply print it onto the screen. Let's build and run. I'm asking user, please enter the first number, and here is the input. Suppose 578. I'm asking the user, please enter the second number, and here is the input. Then I hit enter. This would be the result, 1454. This is the result of addition of these two numbers, that is 578 and 876. 578 plus 876 is equals to 1454. That's it for now. Thank you for watching this lecture.